जिल्हा परिषद फुल प्रायमरी उर्दू गर्ल्स स्कूल साखरी नाटे. स्पोकन इंग्लिश ॲक्टिव्हिटी year 2017-18, standard 7. Activity created by Zulekha Irfan Atwadkar, guided by Mulla Mukhtar sir. Video created by Abdul Ali Mohammad Said Karbelkar sir. Activity name at the shoe shop. Zulka Fansopkar, shopkeeper. Shaizin Khadu, helper. Insha Gawalkar and Zoya Mulla, customer.
Excuse me, madam. Yes, how can I help you? What do you want?
I want a pair of shoes. Can you show me some pairs of shoes?
Of course, I will show you some best design of shoes. See this new collection? Nice shoes.
Show me that brown one.
Let me show you. Try this. What's the price? It's for 500 rupees only.
And in discount?
Sorry ma'am, there is no discount because all rates are fixed.
Okay, we'll pack the shoes.
Shazin,
Yes, ma'am.
take it. Yes, your packet of shoes. Just wait.